This tutorial is going to go over how to actually complete your project assignments. So what you need to do is log into SAM. Once you're in SAM, you need to go over to SAM Assignments. And when you're in Assignments, navigate to the assignment that you want to complete. For example, if you want to complete Practice It 10-1, you're going to navigate until you find Practice It 10-1. Notice I am on page 5. That's based on how I have mine sorted. Again, you can resort by assignment or by type. Therefore, rearranging where these will appear on your screen. Sort them however you like. Just navigate to where the practice its begin, and here is Practice It 10-1. So to start this one, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to give me some instructions. Read the instructions. Again, notice that the maximum number of submissions is 3, and I have 3 submissions remaining, meaning I can submit this up to 3 times and receive a score for it, go back and correct it, resubmit it, receive another score for it, correct it, and then resubmit it a 3rd time. By this time, you should have everything on there absolutely correct and receive 100 on your assignments. Okay, once you're ready, click OK. And this is going to load. Once it loads, notice you have a couple of things on here. First thing you see is the download file. This is your instructions. So click on the download file, and it will open up a Microsoft Word document. Click open. And when it opens, you will see the instructions for this particular assignment. Okay, so here are the instructions. You're going to read the instructions, go through it. Here's step number 1. It asks you to open the file and then read each of the instructions and go through there, completing each step one by one. When you get to the end, you will see what the document is going to look like, and that is what your document should look like when you are complete. Please do not go to the end, look at the document, and then create the document based on this picture, because in the instructions, I'm asking you to complete specific steps in specific ways to see if you learned what we covered in the chapter. If you go in and complete it, even if it looks exactly like this, it will be counted wrong because you did not use the tools that I was asking you to use in order to ascertain whether you understand how to use those tools or not. All right, I am going to close this instruction file, and I'm going to go to the start files. The start file, the file that you need to complete your assignment. The assignment has what assignment it is, Word 2010, Chapter 10, and then it has my name on it. When you open this, it'll have your name on it. So when you open this up, this is the exact file that you need to submit in order to complete all of your assignments. This happens to be an empty page. You are going to perform all the tasks that I showed you in the previous instruction file and complete them on this page and then submit them. Once you are ready to submit, you're going to save your file, and it has to be saved exactly as it's stated there. The first line in your instruction sheet, which we downloaded here, the first line in your instruction sheet gives you the name of how to save that file, and it has to be saved exactly the same way. If it's not, it will not accept the file. All right, once you're ready to submit your file, you click the Browse button, go to wherever you saved your file, double click on the file that you want. Once it's loaded, click Submit. If you do it correctly, you will receive 3 green check marks. If it is not done correctly, it'll tell you that it's not done correctly, and then you need to go and figure out why it didn't accept it and can resubmit it. Okay, that is how you complete your projects for this particular class.